Welcome to Online Cyber. Today I'll take you through how to apply a good conduct. Before I proceed, remember to subscribe, like and share to our YouTube channel. Then I'll go straight to the point. First, you need to have opened an eCitizen account. That you go down to your browser. Then you go under eCitizen website. You click logins where you key in your credentials that you are either using your ID or your email address. Then you key in your password. Then you click sign in. It will take you in to where you need to get the OTP, or that's the verification code. I wanted to get via my phone number, where I'll click under my phone number to get the OTP. I'll wait for a few minutes to get the code, where I'll key in the OTP. Then I'll click next. To take me through to the tabs. Now I'll go under apply for a good conduct certificate. Then I'll go under that tab category. Then it will tell me to continue using either eCitizen or the OTP. I want to continue using the eCitizen option. Then I'll continue. It will take me to the Department of Criminal Investigation. Under this category, they usually have two options. There's own application or under 18 application. Now I will choose my application. Then I'll click next. It will give me the steps of application. Then you can check through. You need to print the C4 form both sides on a A4 paper. Then your invoice, the two-sided. The application charges for the good conduct usually 1,050. That partakes the police clearance certificate is 1,000, convenience fees 50 bob, a total of 1050. Then I'll click next. Then I'll go to the fingerprint area where it depends with the zone that you are. I'm in Central. Then I will select the fingerprint location depending on the center that is nearest you. I'll choose that one. Then I'll click next. I'll click complete. Then it will take me to the pay section where the money that you need to pay, it has to be deposited either through other avenues. For my case, I use M-Pesa option where I'll key in the number that I want to be debited the money. Then I'll click pay option. Then the payment was successful. It will take me to the final stage where it has generated the C24 form that you need to be printed on both sides. I want to print directly. Remember to subscribe, like and share. I'll click the two sides form will need to be printed on the same paper. Now print the front page first. Then the form needs to be printed on both sides. Then I'll print the receipts. That's the invoice that you have used to pay. Then you combine the documents that you are the C24 form plus your invoice plus your ID. Then you go to your nearest Huduma center. Thanks guys for watching. I hope the video was educative. See you in our next video.